You excited about working with things with Dad? Working on things with Dad. Working on things with Dad. Yay!
I'm not gonna be part of this crappy YouTube show, okay?
Alright, so today we're gonna build a new gate. Our old one lost its shape, don't we all? So who is with me?
Water! Hey, Dad.
Huh?
The water has a life of its own, because look.
Okay, I see that. Are you excited about working on a gate with me?
Yeah.
Alright, well let's go to the store and get some supplies. Got some 2x4s. Got 2 sets of cheap gate bracket kits on Amazon. Got some good screws. The ones in the bracket kit look a little bit weak for a task.
I'm doing.
Measure how tall this is gonna be, from top to the bottom. Now let's do some gate measuring. And cut! Alright, ready? Frame, assemble! Do some thinking. I think that's how it goes. Some fighting. Side.
I think they're about to fight again. Yep, they're about to fight again.
Get some more help. Okay, Leo, you gonna help us too? Yeah? We got everything right here, you think? Then do some marking, some drilling, use some muscles for holding the frame, and make sure to snag to fuel the power. And try to salvage the old lumber and save some trees. Remove the old bells and whistles and pain inflictors. I want you to pile them all in one pile.
Okay.
Because if baby steps on this, it's gonna be hurt.
You just throw like random screws onto the ground.
Okay.
So.
And keep safety as first as possible. The board broke. You know what? Scratch this. We're gonna basically get new boards. This fence is a little bit too worn out. So, anyways, shut it down for now. 2 hours later. So the sun went down. Unfortunately, we didn't complete our gate in 20 minutes like the instructions said we would. So while the kids are getting ready for bed, I'll just prep everything for tomorrow. This pandemic made it tough to find good lumber, so we got some leftover cedar boards. Work with what you got, fix it later, feel like it. That's my home improvement mantra. Got her?
I did this too deep.
Okay. Early Saturday morning, our neighbors were happy to hear that we were back at it again. Have my crew put the fence boards on the frame. Use the car jack for gate alignment and precision. Put some longer screws for hinges. And here we go! The gate is on!
Whoa!
Yeah, it works. Okay, baby.
So you need to make another one, right, Dad?
Yeah. Kid is right. On to another gate. With Mother's help, it's gonna be a breeze. Tried to improvise here a little bit, but I'd say stick to what works for you. We're still trying to figure out what it is that works for us. Slap some varnish, some gate-related metal and hardware.
3, 2, 1.
Yay! Come through! And we are done. All this work to keep my iron horse safe in the stable. Thank you, my children.